back with another video. It's your boy Finesse Monster. What's going on to all you Mullen fans out there? Mullenaires, Mullen Militia, Mullen Mayhem. It is Mulntober. Let's get into the video. After reaching a high of 65 cents per share, 0.6489 to be precise, Mullen started experiencing a pullback today, which we could already see that coming. Mullen touched about 200% of gains on the week and still currently up about 140%. I like that the stock closed above 50 cents for the second day in a row. There was a lot of selling pressure and big walls around that stock price. I would also like to see Mullen stay above this 46-cent level here, and I would also be expecting more consolidation in this range before we get a full curl on the MACD down here for possibly continuation to the upside, going into Mullen's strikingly different tour commencing on this Thursday, 27 October. Another massive volume day for Mullen Automotive. Once again, getting to that almost 500 million shares traded on the day. We had 63.06 percentage of the volume going off exchange at the time of this recording, which is 285 million shares going off exchange out of the 454 million. And today's lit volume, which is the volume that is actually hitting the market, is 167 million shares, or 37%. Investor Place came out with an article today saying that Mullen stock, is Mullen CEO David Misery the next Elon Musk? That is very interesting to put out in the article. Or is he closer to Lordstone's Steve Burns? Either way, investors should be careful what they wish for. Then they also go in to say, as Mr. Musk steps back from the EV world, a new contender for his startup crown is emerging. Mullen Automotive, David Misery. Like Elon Musk, the charismatic founder of Mullen has gained almost cult-like status among his supporters. Minor appearances in online interviews can fuel days of speculative buying, and each new capital raise seems to be met with plenty of retail demand. As Mullen's cash burn continues, however, investors are rightly beginning to wonder whether Mr. Misery is indeed the next Elon Musk or the next Steve Burns of Lordstone Motors. Now, an EV startup at this price point and as much backlash David Misery has been getting over the course of this time, why would they be comparing David Misery with Elon Musk? And in my opinion, this particular article is giving you only two particular ways to look at it. It's saying either David Misery and his company, Mullen Automotive, is either going to destroy the shorts and be very successful, or going to the opposite way. You already know. I'm just fascinated that they are putting out an article comparing these two CEOs in two different states of their company right now. Even if they're given an either or situation, there's got to be something major on the other side of Mullen Automotive that they already know about. And let's not forget, Investor Place also said that Mullen Automotive was one of 7 NASDAQ stocks to sell before they die. This was just last month. They said Mullen Automotive, the EV maker, is too late to the game with too little to show for it. Now, I know a lot of people don't agree or worry about, articles that Investor Place put out, but articles like these, comparing Mullen Automotive's David Misery to Elon Musk, makes you think a little bit. What do they know? And lastly, Mullen Automotive's strikingly different tour will be kicking off, as I mentioned, October 27 and 28 at the Rose Bowl in Pasadena, California. From there, the U.S. tour will continue to Las Vegas, Nevada on November 10th and 11th at the world-famous Las Vegas Motor Speedway. We continue to get a lot of buying pressure and shares traded on Mullen Automotive. And like I told you, my expectation is to stay above 46 cents going into tomorrow and consolidate in this range before pushing back up higher going into the strikingly different tour. Obviously, it would be great to see a curl on the MACD going into tomorrow, but I'm thinking a consolidation day tomorrow. That's all I got for this video. Hope you find this information valuable. If you are getting excited about the strikingly different tour commencing this Thursday, leave some lightning bolts down in the comment section. Stay charged up out there and don't feed the fear. I'm gone. Go.